I'm Daniel.
And I'm Jay-Z.
And this is Just My DIY.
Today we're going to show you how to hang an indoor plant from your ceiling.
But first, we need a few things.
You'll need something to hang your plant in. Along with the plant.
You are getting very sleepy. An anchor to be able to withstand the weight of the plant. This one claims to hold 60 pounds against drywall, and that does not weigh 60 pounds against anything.
No.
You also need these two screwdrivers. Probably just one, but I brought two just in case.
Better be prepared. So just 4 things that you need overall, and let's get started. Bad. Yes. The hardest part of this was figuring out where to hang it. It's helpful if you have another person to hold it up while you see how it looks with everything around it.
So to install the hook, we will use an easy installation method featured on the back of the packaging. First, we screw in the anchor. Once we get through the drywall, we slide it up into place without screwing it. And then we put the actual screw with the
Bottom plate.
Bottom plate. And start turning that. And stop turning it when it reaches a good resistance and you will be anchored in.
Yep, and the point of that screw going into the drywall anchor is to turn the bar on the other side of the anchor and really pull it to the drywall. That's what's going to give you some extra stability here.
Yeah, you should be able to slide the screw up into the anchor, which will flip it on its side, and then as you screw, pull the anchor down to the drywall, giving you a nice solid hold up to 60 pounds.
Yep, and then all you have to do is attach the hook and give it a little twist to make sure that it is not going to fall out again. And now we're ready to hang our plant. Almost like it's floating.
I think that might be.
So before you hang it, the first thing that you'll want to do is just make sure that you understand which way it's going to hang when it's on the hook. Don't touch that. So give it a second and say, okay, that's the way I want it to hang. And then put it in the hook. Give it a second. And voila. Now you have a pretty plant hanging from the ceiling.
So I hope you enjoy this little 5-minute DIY, something you can easily use to accent your own home in any way you please, hanging live or real plants.
Yep.
So if you liked what you saw, don't forget to click that subscribe, that like, ring the bell, and check out our list of materials down below.
And if you're not watching this on our website, head over to justmydiy.com for more tips, tutorials, backstories, and more. Thanks for watching.